Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing a review of 10 yen coins from the series of the Zodiac years. In the two that are in covers, these are both 10 yen coins and celebrate the year of the rabbit. You have 10 yen on the back, and as you can see that one is a rabbit. I'll just put that one away for a minute so we can just concentrate on this one. I'll just take the other one out of the way as well, the one that's not in the plastic cover. This is a 10 yen coin. It is from the year 2023, I think it was, which is last year's, and that was the year of the rabbit. When you compare these coins to the £5 coins that you get in the UK to celebrate the Chinese Zodiac year, these are slightly different and they feel far more Eastern in their design and the way that they're designed. You got a rabbit looking up at a lantern, and you have, I would imagine that this is not a wheat sheaf but also is a rice stalk with the rice grains on it. The rabbit is it's almost the way that the Chinese have done these coins and continue to do these coins. It's almost childlike / cartoonish. They show a long-eared floppy bunny looking up at a Chinese lantern. What the significance of this is, I don't know. But the animals that we would recognise, fluffy, nice fluffy animals, are somewhat almost cartoon caricatures of what the actual animal is. I think they did the same with the rat, and the rat was very similar. It looked quite cute, whereas rats in real life are quite ugly and quite smelly and quite dangerous if you get too close to them. But that's the rabbit. I do like the way that these are portrayed. It's far better, I think. This is more, looks more Eastern in the way that it is shown and the way that it has been designed. So that's the bunny. The other one is from 2022, which is the year before, and that's the tiger, and you have the tiger looking up at the lantern again. I'm not sure what the significance is of that. The tiger is crouched and ready to pounce. Oh, excuse me. Just let something drop off the table. Tiger is crouched and ready to pounce, and it's looking up towards the lantern. Again, you have the rice, well, I presume it's a rice stalk going across the top of the coin. Again, another beautiful coin. So, on this particular review, we've looked at both the rabbit and the tiger. Now, when I went to purchase the rabbit one, there was two of them together, so I ended up getting both of them. The tiger was a single coin. I do like these coins. They seem to be essentially Chinese in the look and the way that they've been presented and designed. The UK ones are slightly more clinical in the way that they look and the way that they've been designed in comparison. I don't know what you think. If you've been collecting the UK coins and you've suddenly seen these, which do you prefer? Let me just put these away so I don't lose them. Those are the two rabbits, and here is the tiger. I haven't yet been able to find a 10 yen coin with the dragon on for this year as yet. However, I live in hope, and I do have the other ones somewhere within my collection. There we go, they're all 3 in one packet. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps the channel out no end. The other thing is subscribers. I'm looking to increase my subscriber level again. I tried for 150 subscribers last year to add on to my 100, so I got 250 by the end of December last year, which I was really pleased about. I set myself a target this year of a total of 425 subscribers as a minimum. That means to say I would need to get 175 this year. Obviously I'll need your help to do it. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you believe I've deserved it, could you please subscribe to the channel? I have plenty of videos for you to look at. As I do a minimum of 5, but usually just recently 6 videos a week. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can go buy the coins you want for a price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for staying to the end, and bye bye. Ta-da now.